This is the first look of Sigma 50mm f4.4 DGDN for Sony E-mount. I just got this lens and I wanted to try it out and see how it looks for a talking head scenario in a natural light in S-Log 3 S-Gamma 3 Cine on Sony E-mount. Now you have three main Sigma 50mm lenses, f1.2, f1.4, and other f1.4, which is like the old version, like it's not DGDN, it's DG-HSM. But this one is a bit smaller. As you see from the box, you can get an idea how small is this lens, and that's why I liked it. And I just put on my camera right now for the first time. I'm recording this video wide open in f1.4, and the settings are a bit crazy. It's like the ISO is 200, and also the shutter speed is 200. So I went a bit against the rules. The light is coming up and down, but what do you think about the quality of the video wide open? Like, it definitely gives more natural look. The perspective is better than more wider than 50. Like if you go 35 or 24, it just squeezes your face a bit more. But this one is in the middle, not 85 like too much close, or not 35 or 24 too much back. It's just in the sweet spot. That's why I got this lens for interviews. I liked it. But yeah, like right now it's pretty close, but I'm pretty happy with the result I'm getting and I'm seeing on the camera monitor right now. What do you think about the quality?